Hi crafty friends, it's Elisa here and today I want to show you my new layout made with the January Hip Kit Club kits. First of all, I want to apologize for my English, but this is the first time that I added the voiceover to my videos and I just know that it won't improve a lot in the next future, so you have to be patient with me. I applied a layer of clear gesso on my marshmallow basil and then I let it dry. With the shimmers watercolor that you can find on the January color kit and a piece of acetate, I added some splashes and stains on my background. My basil with the water and the inks has become curved, so I decided to straighten it with my laminator. Then I used the stencil that you can find on the January color kit and applied a thin layer of the paste, Nuvo paste, that you can find on the December color kit. I love this Nuvo paste because once dried it looks like a mirror. It's very shimmery. Then with the paintbrush and the shimmer watercolor mist, I paint the interior detail of my stencil. I added some splashes with the inks from previous color kits. First of all, I made my title with the two puffy alphabets included in the main kit and in the Pocket Life kit. Then I started embellishing my layout with the products from all the kits. I love mixing together in my layout different kind of embellishments. For example, I use die cut and chipboard and puffy sticker to achieve a more three-dimensional look. This balloon is so cute, so I decided to add a thread, a yellow thread to it and include them on my page. This balloon has a lot of confetti inside, and in the picture I was on the Venice Carnival and my hair was full of confetti, so I think that this embellishment is perfect for this picture. In the end, I add some little puffy sticker from the Pocket Life kit here and there, just to finish my page. I hope to have inspired you with my creative process, and thank you for stopping by. See you soon!